Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this awesome video inside of Logo Edit on CapCut PC. So go to local and get your logo. I'm also going to adjust the frame ratio a little bit like that. And I'm also going to add in a black stock video underneath that, and I'm just going to freeze frame it so that I can extend the duration and scale it. Select both, right click, create compound clip. Oh, actually, let me just copy and paste this first. There we go. Select both and then right click, create compound clip. Go to blend mode and select darken. Now this is just the usual one. Then I'm just going to add this on top. I'm going to go to effects and I'm going to find neon and I'm going to add that on top. You can adjust the atmosphere. I'm just going to go for 100%. And then once you're done, you're going to go to media and you're going to find a color that you want the glow to be in. I'm going for like a bluish purple color. I think I'll just go with this gradient one. And I will just rotate that 90 degrees. And I'm also going to adjust that. Go to blend mode and select linear burn, and then go back to effects and search the edge glow effect and add that on top of your logo and like really glow that up. You can also add in the angel effect to it if you'd like to, but I'm only going to add just a little bit. Select everything but the first one, right click, create compound clip, and then go to blend mode and choose the bright end one. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!